Did you know America's most notorious bank robber became more famous for escaping prison than stealing money? Willie Sutton spent 3 decades turning maximum security facilities into his personal playgrounds. In 1947, he pulled off his first masterpiece at Holmesburg Prison. For months, he studied every guard rotation, memorizing their exact timing. He recruited fellow inmates and smuggled in tools piece by piece. Then they dug a 97-foot tunnel straight under the walls. 3 years later at Eastern State Penitentiary, he tried a different approach. He crafted a perfect prison guard uniform and fake identification papers. Then simply walked out the front door, nodding to real guards on his way. But his most audacious escape came in 1952 from Philadelphia County Prison. The so-called escape-proof facility couldn't hold him. Using stolen pipes and wire, he built a makeshift ladder and scaled the walls. When finally caught, even the FBI admitted something incredible. Sutton had revolutionized prison security nationwide, one escape at a time.